Tina lives in an obscure area in England and can't get around ordering through the internet from her products because they're not readily available as they should be. They weren't readily available here, so you know they ain't gonna be readily available in England. But she wants to know what she should be looking for in a conditioner because there's so many out there. As I've said before, don't get caught up in anything other than what a conditioner is there to do for your hair. If the conditioner said it was going to deliver nanotechnology and this, that, and the other and reverse the aging effect of your hair and it was $80 a bottle, then buy it. But I bet you if it didn't leave your hair soft when you bought it, then you won't be using it again. So that point should help you to determine how to find. I often like to say buy a bunch of conditioners and find out which one leaves your hair the softest, because that's the winner. That's why Quench exists. Quench was designed to do one thing and one thing only: leave your hair soft. So if you had a naturally dry texture, if you were looking for hair to become more malleable and soft, or coarseness turned around and made soft, then use Quench conditioner. A conditioner, Quench was designed to soften the hair. Because the softer the hair is, then it helps to reveal whatever your natural texture is. That's what a conditioner is there for. Another indication, they wasn't thinking about you if you had a 4 or 3 texture anyways, because you already got attitude that it was only 8 ounces of something. Now they said put a dime size amount. Problem one, you can't put a little bit of conditioner in a lot of hair and expect anything to happen. You have to bathe yourself in your hair in conditioner. You and yourself. You have to bathe your hair in conditioner. Quench happens to be really concentrated, so the more water you add to it, the more effective it is and the softer your hair gets. You also want to use enough that it helps to elongate and make your hair hang. That's your natural texture. That will help to prep your hair for your styling product. So I hope that helps. Don't buy it. Buy it all. But find out which one will leave your hair the softest. Invest in a whole bunch. Don't just buy one of many. Invest in a whole bunch and see which one leaves your hair the softest. That will help to